wrong place. You are the right place actually, because this video is the best video you can find on YouTube. So this is the before of the whole solution. So I was facing the same problem. I solved it. I opened Photoshop again, and let's see the after. So you are not supposed to skip any part of the video, because this is the best video you are going to find on YouTube. Okay, so let's watch how the ending, happened. So you realize I am opening my Canva to work with. I'm going to solve everything with you. So let's go straight into the video. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite and friendly tech YouTuber, Mr. Ofori here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this particular problem, okay, or this pop-up that appears whenever you open your Photoshop and you want to work with it. Now, before we go into the video, I want you to take a moment to please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new here, and turn on the notification bell. Also, don't forget to like the video, and also comment anything that you want to comment in a comment section, right? Because that is what would help me to create the next and subsequent content. So let's go straight into the video. Now, before I start the video, I want to outrightly state, okay, or clearly state that this video is for individuals who have, who have purchased Adobe Photoshop, yet still they face this problem, okay? So let me show you something. Now, when you open the Adobe community, this guy here was making a concern, or was raising a concern that I have a license renewal for Adobe app, but this pop-up keeps popping up every few seconds. It's really annoying. Any help is greatly appreciated. I have a Creator Cloud subscription. Now, that's what someone is saying online, okay? And when you read on and on, there's another guy who also said that I constantly have it popping up. I tried logging out of Creative Cloud, restarting the computer and logging back in, but the pop-up still continues to appear, right? So I'm going to help you solve this particular problem right away. So the first thing we'll be doing, right? Let me just close this first. So I'm closing my Photoshop, the one that we opened. So now after closing it, okay, so it's closed now. The next thing we are going to do, I'm going to give you two solutions. The first one is that you go to your settings, and when you go to settings, you go to privacy and security. So you click on privacy and security, then you go to Windows security. So you click on Windows security. When it's downloading, you click on firewall and network protection, and over here ensure that your domain name, your domain network, your private network, and your public network, they are all on, okay? Now, after you confirm that, you go to advanced settings, and then you go to yes. So down here you realize a pop-up will open in a taskbar, and then you follow that that pop-up. Then you go to inbound rules. So we are about to set some rules to govern our Photoshop. You get it, how it should behave. So you go to new rule over here, and then you go to programs, just go to next, and at this place we are supposed to paste the file path, right, which is the Photoshop file path. So we'll be pasting our Photoshop file path here, and I'm going to copy my own from this side. So I just right click on the one on my taskbar, then over here I right click here too, then I'll copy the file. So I'll go to properties. After going to properties, then I'll go to target, right? So target here, you just copy, you do Control C, or you just right click and copy. After you copy, you paste what you copied here, right? And then you delete the strings. So after deleting the strings here this way, then you copy this again, because we will use it again, right? So you go to next, then block the connection. So you ensure this is ticked, right? It's very important. You tick it and then you go to next as well. Then all this should be ticked. Then next. Over here you type Photoshop. You can name it anything, but then Photoshop, I just want you to name it Photoshop for relevancy sake. Now we are done with the first rule. The second rule is to set an outbound rule. Okay, and then with that one, when you click on outbound, you go to new rule, and then you go to you go to program rule, then next, then the link, the path we copied, we are going to paste that here. Then you go to next again. So when you go to next, block the connection, then next again, then next. Over here you just type Photoshop, then finish. Now we are done with the first step. The second step is that anytime you want to open your Photoshop, right, you should ensure you are disconnected from the Wi-Fi or your router or any internet access that you have on your laptop. Just ensure you are disconnected. Okay, but the truth is that once you do the first step very well, then you don't need to even turn off your internet source. Once you do the first step very well, then you are good to go. So let's check out if we are going to have the same problem again, right? So I'm opening Photoshop now. It will take some few minutes for it to open, so just stay with me. When it opens, then we check if our pop-up is still going to appear for us. So our Photoshop has opened now, and then we just want to confirm if we are going to have that error or pop-up again. So I'll just create a new custom file or Canva to work on, and let's see if we have that again, right? So I've created a new one and I'm working, and nothing is happening, right? So that's going to be the end of our video. Thank you for staying with me, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and also please comment in the comment section. Thank you. Peace out.